Welcome to this comprehensive review of FileCloud, the cloud storage solution that offers secure file storage, extensive data sharing options, and advanced privacy controls for both personal and business users. In this video, I'll walk you through FileCloud's primary features and explain how it compares to other major storage services on the market. Key features: FileCloud stands out in the crowded cloud storage space due to its high-level security protocols and easy-to-use interface. It is designed for small to medium-sized businesses and individuals who prioritize data protection and accessibility. One of the major advantages of FileCloud is its detailed control over file sharing and permissions, making it highly suited for collaborative projects where data privacy is a concern. In terms of storage, FileCloud offers flexible pricing plans, accommodating both individual users and larger business needs. A notable feature is FileCloud's hybrid deployment model, which allows businesses to manage data on their servers while leveraging cloud benefits, offering flexibility to users who need it. Pricing overview: FileCloud's pricing is competitive. For small businesses, its affordability and comprehensive data protection features are a great fit. Monthly and annual plans are available, each tailored to different user requirements. If you're looking for a cost-effective, reliable option, FileCloud's transparent pricing structure makes it easy to decide what fits your budget. For individuals, FileCloud offers affordable storage with robust security, which is rare in personal cloud storage options. For businesses, the solution is scalable, allowing users to upgrade as their data needs grow. And if you're looking for a long-term storage solution, check out the offer to buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever with no annual subscription, link in the description below. Advantages and disadvantages: one of FileCloud's primary advantages is its extensive customization for user permissions and sharing settings, ensuring data is only accessible to approved users. This level of control makes FileCloud popular among professionals and business users who need stringent data oversight. Another benefit is its offline access capabilities, allowing users to work on files even without an internet connection, which updates automatically when they reconnect. However, FileCloud's advanced features may seem overwhelming for beginners, and it's typically more suited for users with at least a basic understanding of cloud storage concepts. The initial setup process, especially for the hybrid model, can be time-consuming and may require some technical assistance, depending on the configuration. Terms and conditions: inside FileCloud's terms are clear and user-friendly. They prioritize data ownership and ensure that the user remains in control of their stored files. This commitment to data privacy is reflected in their GDPR compliance and additional security features, including data encryption and two-factor authentication. FileCloud also provides customer support for technical issues and account assistance, ensuring users have access to help when needed. In summary, FileCloud is a robust and secure cloud storage solution that balances powerful features with user control. It's ideal for users who want flexibility and high security. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more honest cloud storage reviews.